Surah Aal-e-Imran is not just a chapter of the Quran. It's a guide to strengthen your faith, build unity, and take inspiration from the profound stories of past prophets. Let's dive into its timeless message. Surah Aal-e-Imran, the third chapter of the Quran, contains 200 verses and was revealed in Medina. It was revealed during a pivotal time in the Prophet Muhammad's peace be upon him life, after the Battle of Badr and in the lead-up to the Battle of Uhud. The surah takes its name from the family of Imran, the father of Maryam or Mary, highlighting the virtues of this blessed lineage. This surah addresses crucial aspects of faith, unity, and steadfastness. It also offers lessons through the stories of prophets, especially Jesus, peace be upon him, and his miraculous birth, and reminds believers of their responsibilities in spreading Allah's message. Themes and key messages. 1. Strengthening faith, Iman. The surah emphasizes the oneness of Allah and the importance of submitting fully to His will. It begins with a powerful declaration. Alif Lam Mim. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of existence. The concept of Tawheed, monotheism, is reinforced, highlighting that Allah alone is the creator and sustainer of all. Lesson. Believers are encouraged to put their trust entirely in Allah and remain steadfast in their faith, especially during trials and tribulations. 2. Unity among believers. Surah Aal-e-Imran calls for the Ummah, Muslim community, to remain united and avoid divisions. Verse 103 is a significant reminder, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided. The surah warns against the consequences of disunity, using examples from the past nations who were destroyed due to their arrogance and divisions. Lesson. Unity is the backbone of a strong community, and adhering to Allah's guidance ensures collective success. Lessons from Badr and Uhud. The surah reflects on the lessons of the Battle of Badr, where the Muslims were victorious due to their unity and faith. It also discusses the aftermath of the Battle of Uhud, where a momentary lapse in discipline led to hardship. These historical moments are used to teach resilience, patience, and reliance on Allah. Lesson. Victory comes through faith, discipline, and collective effort, while defeat often results from arrogance and disobedience. 4. The story of Aal-e-Imran. The family of Imran is praised for their piety, devotion, and trust in Allah. The story of Maryam, Mary, and the miraculous birth of Prophet Isa, Jesus, is highlighted. Indeed, Allah chose Adam and Noah and the family of Abraham and the family of Imran over the worlds. Verse 33. Maryam is honored as one of the greatest women in history, a model of chastity and faith. Lesson. The legacy of righteous families teaches us the importance of raising children with faith and moral values. 5. Dialogue with the people of the book. Surah Aal-e-Imran engages with Christians and Jews, urging them to reflect on shared beliefs and submit to the oneness of Allah. It challenges the misconceptions about Prophet Isa, Jesus, affirming his status as a prophet and servant of Allah, not as a deity. Lesson. Interfaith dialogue should focus on common ground while inviting others to the truth with wisdom and kindness. 6. Encouragement of charity and good deeds. The surah emphasizes the importance of spending in Allah's way, particularly in verses like, "You will never attain righteousness until you spend in the way of Allah from that which you love." Verse 92. It encourages believers to prioritize the hereafter over worldly possessions. Lesson. Sacrificing wealth and desires for the sake of Allah leads to eternal rewards. 7. Steadfastness and patience. The surah concludes with a powerful call for perseverance and taqwa, God consciousness. O you who have believed, persevere and endure and remain stationed and fear Allah, that you may be successful. Verse 200. Lesson. Success in this world and the hereafter depends on patience, endurance, and unwavering faith in Allah. Virtues of Surah Aal-e-Imran. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Recite the Quran, for it will come as an intercessor for its reciters on the day of resurrection." Recite the two bright ones, Al-Baqarah and Aal-e-Imran. Memorizing the last verses of this surah brings immense blessings and protection. Surah Aal-e-Imran is a treasure trove of guidance, teaching us how to strengthen our faith, build unity, and navigate life's challenges with patience and trust in Allah. Its stories and lessons are as relevant today as they were 1400 years ago. Surah Aal-e-Imran invites us to reflect deeply on our relationship with Allah and our responsibilities as Muslims. Let's strive to embody its teachings in our lives. If you found this beneficial, share this video and join us in learning more about the Quran's wisdom.